Hello friends, in today's video I am going to display you how you can easily remove the background of your photo. It might take only 20 seconds or 30 seconds to remove the background of your photo. In the olden days you need to do lot of stuff to remove the background, but nowadays due to lot of eraser tools we can easily remove the background. So first of all, if you want to remove the background by using Telegram bot, you can just search in the search box as AI background remover bot. Then you can join or follow this bot, and then you have to copy paste the photo which you want to remove the background. Once you select the photo, then Telegram bot will ask you for different background colors. If you select white, you will get photo in the white. If you select red, you will get photo background as red. Here you can see there is some issue. I am holding laptop in my hand. Here you can see the screen is not visible properly. Laptop screen looks transparent. Now I will display you one more way in which you can easily remove the background. I guess it might take 20 seconds or less than that depending on your PC. So first of all, you need to go to this search box and search for Paint 3D. This application will be available for Windows 10, Windows 11. This is the pre-installed app with the Windows 10, but we doesn't use this as it is the pre-installed app. So you can use this. Click on new. After clicking on new button, you will see a window like this. Just go to the folder where your photo is there. Just drag and drop here. Once you drag and drop the photo, you can see the window like this. If you want to remove the background, just click on magic select. You can see the magic select option here. You can click on magic select button. You just need to select like this till where you want to crop. I want to crop till here, so I will select this much. Once you select this, just click on next. Here you can see the selection. You can see the selection is precise. Here you can see a button that states that autofill background. If you let this button as checked, you will get a autofilled background, like you will get white color in the background. If you try to add this photo in the new background, you will get white color as well with this photo. So you need to uncheck this so that photo background will be empty. If you add this photo in the new photo, white background will not appear and it will suit in that new background. So just uncheck this and click on done. The next thing you need to do is click on this background. Here you will see a selection like this. Right click on this and click on delete. So now the background is deleted. Now another thing you need to do is just click on this and drag and drop in this white box. Yeah, that's it. Now you have to click on menu and click on save as image. Here you can see this is PNG. Now you have to click on save. So here it will add the location. Just select the folder where you want to add this file. Just click on save. So now let's go to that, then paste it, then click on new folder. Here you can see this background is removed very nicely. Here you can see the laptop screen is also good. If you see the AI removed background, here you can see this one. Here you can see the laptop screen got transparent too. So this is not even precise. Here you can see some issues there. Here you can see the bench is also displaying. If you use this photo, here you can see there is no bench as well behind. You can see here this is the t-shirt. So if you want to add new background, just use any photo editor. First select a background image, then after that add this, then after that add this photo in that background. That's it in this video. If you have any query, if you have any suggestion or any queries, you can follow me on Instagram and message over there, or if you don't have Instagram account, you can comment over there. That's it in this video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.